everyone, welcome to Sensory Play. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple texture board. You can use a piece of cardstock or thick paper. If you just received an Amazon order or a shipping order, you could cut a piece of the cardboard off of the box as well and use that. So let me show you what we're going to do, and what you're going to get in your kit will be some of these textures and materials. So you have your, this is a foam piece. We have two different foam pieces. We have a pipe cleaner, pasta, a piece of fabric. This is like grass that you would use in like a basket or a gift, and it's paper. This is a piece of felt and also some pom-poms. Okay, so pretty easy. You will also receive a little glue bottle of tacky glue. I definitely recommend tacky glue. If you want to have this last a little bit longer, you might want to glue this on yourself and use on a piece of cardboard like a hot glue gun. Okay, so something a little bit hotter, a little bit stronger. You can also use a fabric glue or crazy glue, anything like that would work. All right, so while you're doing this, and while you're taking the materials out of the kit with your child, you can ask them, how does this piece of fabric feel? And you just have them play with it, hold it, feel it, and have that discussion with them with those descriptive words on how the fabric feels. Do that with the pasta. Okay, how does a pasta feel? Now you have these ridges, and they might even say that they're sharp, even though they're not really, but they're just more pointy. So you can say that it's rough. You can say that it's sharp. Okay. It's also hard. Very smooth too over here. And then this is bumpy on this side, bumpy in the middle. So use those words and those descriptive words before you glue them to the cardboard or to the paper that we provide. You're going to do that also with the pipe cleaner. You can have the pipe cleaner shape you can even like keep it straight. You can curl it around, glue it on. You can make it almost like a spiral if you really would like. It's all up to you how you would like to put it onto your sensory board. All right, and you'll get, I have 4 pom-poms here. You might get a few more in your kit. And the grass, you'll get a whole bunch in your basket too. And the colors are going to vary. We have all different colors foam, all different color felt. So you could also describe the color with them. This is blue. If you want to include another language, you can say azul for Spanish, blue. Pink, roja. No, that's red, I'm sorry. Uh-oh, I don't remember what pink was. I apologize. But you could add all different colors. If you know it in French or Italian, whatever language you would like, you could also do that. Orange, okay, and have them repeat it with you, have that discussion, and then you can take this concept, keep it for a little playtime, maybe when you're cooking dinner, they can touch and feel it while you're cooking, just to keep them a little quiet. You could also have them describe clothes. Okay, your clothes are maybe you have on a silky top, or you have on cotton socks. Have them play around with all different textures around them as well. Well, I hope you enjoyed this sensory play video, and if you have any questions, please come into the library or give us a call or email us. And if you want to send us a picture of your completed project, please email it to us at kids at westhamptonlibrary.org. We hope to see your pictures and we hope to see you soon. Bye.